the previous video, we talked about Canva's massive update to the text effects panel and how the new advanced section works. Now in this video, we're going to look at specific cases where you should actually use some of these effects depending on the type of design you're creating. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with the first one, neon. The neon effect works best when used on a dark background because it helps the glow stand out and look more like a real neon sign. You'll also want to use highly saturated colors like pink, blue, or purple to make the glow more vibrant. Because of this style, the neon effect is perfect for things like food signs, restaurant designs, or bar advertisements, and it also works great for posters, menus, and billboards where you want the text to immediately grab attention. Next is the glitch effect. This effect creates a distorted digital look, so it works best when the text has high contrast with the background. Using bright and saturated colors also helps emphasize the glitch distortion. The glitch effect is commonly used in short films, horror-themed designs, and tech-related graphics, and it's also great for posters or promotional visuals that need a futuristic or edgy feel. Finally, we have the 70s text effect. This style focuses on a retro and vintage aesthetic, so it works best with subtle backgrounds and warm text colors like orange, yellow, or brown. Because of its nostalgic style, it's perfect for vintage-themed designs, and it works well in posters, invitations, and flyers. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more of Canva's advanced text effects and look at other design situations where they work best. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.